Hi guys. All right. So I am working on my KDP book and I thought that I would show you guys some of the process. I forgot to, well, no, I didn't forget to do the second video with the stationery note card, but my husband was in the room with me and it's noisy. He was playing a game, and so it's noisy, and so I uploaded the video and put it on private, and I'm just not sure if I want to share it because it's noisy. I think I'm also going to start putting my videos up on my Instagram. I wasn't sure because I do so many things. I wasn't sure what I was going to commit um to share because I am a person that does a lot of different things. But I think that since I am committing to doing my digital prints and my KDP, those are the two things that I really want to focus on. I don't want to really focus on client work, but I will do customization because that's not like a long-term commitment. Anyway, I am going to show you guys exactly what I'm doing. So, well, let me go back here first. So now this is my first time doing making book covers like this. And I thought I wanted to show the process. I know some people would say don't show or share this process because there's so much copying. But I'm going to show it anyway. I mean, I'm pretty much using this. I got this idea from this cover. So I can't make this look as good as, I can't, mine isn't looking as good as, I'm going to show you guys that later. And it's probably going to have to be another, oh, I think I just, okay, so this is what I'm using. And people, I hear people say not to use the graphics and whatnot on um, Canva. But as long as you can make the design your own design and it looks fairly different from the original, there's nothing wrong with using the design. Okay, so this is letter spacing. Okay, I want to do line spacing. All right, and I think this is notes. Um, and then as you can see here, I have all of the bleeds, and I just like to keep my work real clean. I'm gonna show it to you when I'm gonna show you how it looks when I upload it to KDP. All right, so it says notes here, and then I'm gonna make this smaller. My quote says, make this like that. My quote says, a smooth sea never made a skilled seller. All right, and what I'm going to do is upload. I ended up making, you know what? I ended up making these. These are going to be notes, pages that I upload to. I think I'm going to make this black. Um, I don't know how to bring the element over. Maybe you guys do, but I don't know how to bring that element over. And I wish I did. Um, I don't like that being black. See, that's what I mean. You know, you watch a lot of videos and everyone has everything together. Okay, I'm going to show you guys all of that too. This is how I had that. I don't know. I kind of really like this one. I think I like this one. It had the pink. Let me go back. But then that means things that I'm going to, I want to be so done with this. Oh, I wish I could just ask you guys which one do you like? But I'm ready to put this up. Let me see. Okay, well, you can just watch me. N O N-O-T, and then maybe I could do it like this. E, make that center. So N-O-T, E, right there. And then make that center. It's not. Notes. Then maybe if I do like this, I only have 15 minutes. I am going to purchase the yearly subscription. I'm just trying to, wait. Okay. Now I want the N-O-T. I don't know how to do this, the sticky stuff they keep asking me. Okay, so let's see. Notes. I think I like this. All right, so I've made my decision. That's what I'm going to go with. Okay, book cover 29. All right, so what I'm going to do now is download this, and then I'm going to upload it to my KDP, and I'll show you guys. All right, so now I am going to make this a little more transparent. And this is a 5x7 book. It's just to write little notes. I'm going to show you guys one thing that I do. I don't really need to do it right now, though. So I guess I may show you another time. Like I said, this was the first time that I created a book cover in the manner that I did. So this is new. All right. Notes. It's notes. Oh, I meant to put notes journal. So I have to go back. I think this is it right here. All right, so I have to go back and say notes, then put journal under there. I'll probably put that in blue. I'll probably make it cursive, but a thick cursive. Let's see here. Can't think of the name. Oh, excuse me. I think this is it. All right. So let me. Then I'm gonna make it blue. I think I told you guys this the last time, I have way too many tabs open. And it's just making my computer lag. All right, so let's see here. Move this out the way. Okay, so journal, notes journal. I want it to be a little bit bigger. I want it to be blue. Like that's purple, but it isn't. Notes journal. Okay. So now y'all know what that means. I'm going to have to go back here and change this color. I have to change this color. Or do I? Okay. So now let me download this. It's my second version. Download 29. Have it on 100%. Going to do it as a JPEG, I think. Alrighty. Okay, now I'm gonna upload it again, and then I'm gonna turn off the off the video recorder, upload it, and then I'll turn it back on. I just don't want you guys to see my messy, my unorganized files. All right, and I'm going to delete some of these things. All right. Delete already. This is about to end. I'm at 13 minutes and I only have 15. All right, so this is, I'm gonna take this out. No, that didn't do. All right, let me take that out. Put this one in. Oh Lord, I about to have a heart attack here. I got rid of the wrong. Can I believe that? All right, hold on. All right, and so I've uploaded it, and I think I am going to do, like I said, this is my first time. All right, okay, I'm going to turn off the computer, and then I'm going to show you the finished work. Okay, so I don't like the way this looks. It looks too hazy. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this over, and I will show you guys the finished product in another video. All right, bye.